Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on TCL 305i. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, then move to buttons and gestures. Here we should be able to find the gestures themselves. First one is flip to mute, and here you can click on it to mute incoming calls and snooze the alarms as well. Now all you have to do is just put your phone screen to the surface, and that way it will mute either incoming calls and alarms or whichever settings you picked right here. Then next one is 3-finger screenshot. Swipe 3 fingers down from top of the screen to take a screenshot. And then next one is a power key, and here you'll be able to quickly open camera by pressing a power button twice, and it works from any screen. And also power button to end calls, which means when you're in a call and press on the power button, it will end that call. Now let's try it out. It works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.